All right, guys, welcome back. We got a little product review today. This is a submersible sub pump from Harbor Freight. It's a 1/3 horsepower. It's like 85 bucks. It's actually not too bad. It's very lightweight. It's only 10 pounds or so. It's cast metal and plastic. This is a cheaper sub pump that you can get from them. Oh, also, side note, my daughter got some amazing, beautiful fingernail polish, and she had to try them out on Dad. So there you go, green and silver, that's what she went with. So anyways, here's a little unboxing video, and we're going to show you while I plumb it up and then see how well it works. Now this pump is being compared to the ASF 33, which they're running around $110 to $150 depending on where you get it. This one was $85. You can buy an extended warranty on it for, I don't know how much extra it was. I didn't get it. It's Harbor Freight. You get what you pay for. If I get a year or two out of this, I'd be thrilled. If not, it is what it is. I just kind of needed something to get this water out of the basement as soon as possible, and this is what I came up with. Also, the pump that was in there originally was a Wayne pump. It was a 1/2 horsepower. It was a little bit bigger, so I did have to add it was about a 2-inch extension onto this pump to make sure it was sitting flat on the bottom. This pump also starts pumping the water earlier than the old pump. It had a tether on it, and it basically had to fill this entire square hole. It had to fill this entire thing up before it'd pump out. This pump, it activates quicker, so it doesn't have as much water in it, which is nice, and it is very, very quiet. You'll hear here once I plug it in, it makes almost no noise, which is awesome. There's the pump. We have it going up, I don't know, I'd say total maybe 7 feet, and then it goes out that way, then goes outside and dumps. So this little 1/3 horsepower has plenty of power to suck it up and push it through here. So all in all, we've had this thing in here for about a week, and I've had absolutely no issues. It is a little louder now. It was a little quieter when it was new, but brand new. But it's quiet, and it does the trick. We have no issues whatsoever. So yeah, for what, 85 bucks, I give it my thumbs up. And it doesn't run all that often. It just basically, if the basement floods a lot, this thing fills up, or this little drain here is off the furnace. So it maybe fills up enough every couple days, if that. But yeah, all in all, very pleased with it, very happy with it. Give it a thumbs up. If you guys have any questions or comments, don't be afraid to leave them in the comments section below. All right, guys. God bless.